Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change username on Bybit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Bybit app on your phone. Once you have opened, this kind of interface gonna pop up. Make sure you have signed in as well. Now from over here, you're gonna go ahead and tap on this profile icon given on top left corner. From over here, you will find this kind of interface which includes your ID on top. Now go ahead, tap on your user ID name, and now you can see this kind of interface gonna pop up. If you want to create a sub account, you can tap on create, and you can add a sub account nickname, and then you can simply tap on create and go through. But you do have another option as well. For that, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on over there and tap on nickname section right over here and add in a nickname that will simply substitute your existing username, and you can tap on save and you're done. So that is also the way for you to do so. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.